Hello बच्चों, let us read the question first. Tabulate the differences between movable and immovable joints. So इस particular question में हम जो concept use करेंगे that will be the different features of movable and immovable joints जो help करेंगे हमें to plot the differences among the two joints, that is movable and immovable joints. So on the left hand side we will be mentioning the features of movable joints. इन movable joints को synovial joints के नाम से भी जाना जाता है, synovial joints. And on the right will be writing the features of immovable joints. So the first difference among the two joints is suggested by their name itself. जैसे जो movable joints होते हैं ये allow करते हैं movements between the bones which are connected by movable joints, whereas जो immovable joints होते हैं ये किसी भी तरह की movement show नहीं करते, that is no movements is present in the bones connected by immovable joints. Next difference lies among the presence of synovial cavity. जो movable joints होते हैं इन्हें synovial joints भी कहा जाता है because they show the presence of synovial fluid between the bones connected by movable joints. जो movable joints होते हैं जिन bones को ये connect करते हैं उन bones के बीच में एक fluid present होता है which is known as synovial fluid. एंड इस पर्टिकुलर फ्लूइड की हेल्प से जो मूवेबल जॉइंट्स होते हैं ये शो कर सकते हैं रोटेशन मूवमेंट एंड अदर वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ मूवमेंट्स in between the bones. So now if we look at the presence of synovial fluid, so जो दो bones होती हैं which are connected by a movable joint with the help of a movable joint, इन दो bones के बीच में present होता है the synovial fluid which is enclosed in the synovial membrane, and ये particular fluid help करता है in providing movement to the bones, and hence it is referred as synovial cavity. Whereas जो immovable joints होते हैं इनमें ये जो synovial cavity होती है that is absent. Synovial cavity is absent and due to which जो immovable joints होते हैं ये किसी भी तरह की movement show नहीं कर पाते and these joints remain stationary or static. Now continuing the list of differences, we can look at the examples of movable joints and for immovable joints, which are as follows. So under movable joints we have hip joint and shoulder joint. ये दोनों ही joint, that is hip joint and shoulder joint, they come under ball and socket joint which are movable joint and ये show कर सकते हैं movements like rotation in all the directions. Whereas जो immovable joints के examples हैं that are skull bones and secondly pelvic girdle. जो skull bones होते हैं ना ये फ्यूज हो जाते हैं with the deposition of collagen fiber and due to their fusion ये किसी भी तरह की movement show नहीं कर पाते and they remain stationary, इसीलिए they are included under immovable joints. Hence concluding these were the various differences present among the movable and immovable joints. So I hope you must have understood it well. All the best.